Intrigued by the revolutionary changes in farming technology? Join us as we explore the evolution of cutting-edge agricultural machinery, featuring innovations that will astonish you. Get ready for the extraordinary. It's amazing how this monster vehicle turns this boundless field upside down, guiding in hundreds of red beads just by going through the field. Same goes with wheat and the indispensable combine harvester. Its invention opened the door for previously unachievable output and productivity. This harvester is so interestingly designed. Sweet potatoes can be guided to fall into both sides of the vehicle, and fully filled crates will be unloaded while the machine's still running. These Chinese cabbages look like they're having fun on a roller coaster ride when they're harvested by this one-of-a-kind mechanical system. More than just pulling up the red radishes, this machine even binds them together to make collecting them more convenient. From hanging on the plant, these sweet corns go for a ride through this machine system before ending up flying into its container. The sucker tubes in this processing plant don't miss a single avocado. They can pick the fruits up and place them in packages with stability and consistency. A garlic digger is a specialized machine designed to harvest garlic bulbs from the soil, facilitating quicker and more effective harvesting for agricultural purposes. Dragon fruits are transported to a processing facility where they are cleaned, sorted for size and quality, diced, ground into pulp, and stored temporarily before further processing. A furrower machine creates furrows in the soil, facilitating planting by providing organized rows. These furrows help with water drainage and seed placement. This plow machine is equipped with 6 plowshares for efficient tilling and soil preparation in agricultural fields. This slicer cuts watermelon into small pieces efficiently in a single operation, ideal for food processing and preparation. The Rock King Wheels Dolman is a versatile machine designed for efficient rock moving and picking across various terrains. A robotic lawn mower with robotic arms is ideal for small gardens, efficiently maintaining grass. Farmers harvest purple cabbage with conveyor assistance to load it onto trucks, transporting it to processing plants. We're at the Smile Nuts Pistachio Orchard, and it's harvest time. Let's take a look. We have a cabbage harvester. It efficiently gathers cabbage heads from fields, typically cutting and collecting them for further processing. Foam thermal weed control involves applying hot foam to weeds, destroying them through heat exposure. Do you know this weed killing method? Foam thermal weed control involves applying hot foam to weeds, effectively destroying them through heat exposure. This tiller prepares soil by loosening it to a fine, crumbly texture, ideal for planting preparations. This peeling machine rotates the pineapples against the blade, removing the outer skin efficiently. Winter linen harvesting involves gathering flax plants during the colder months when they are mature, typically using specialized equipment to extract fibers for textile production. A harvester cuts onions at ground level with blades, then lifts and collects them for processing or packaging. A bamboo shoot harvester extracts shoots from the ground, designed for efficient collection without damaging the plant. This machine collects freshly harvested grass for storage as livestock feed. Feeding livestock no longer requires human intervention with the assistance of machines like this for automated feed distribution. A garden sprayer machine applies pesticides or fertilizers to plants, ensuring effective distribution for crop care. Every garden needs a sprayer like this one. The Lixion 620 and Claas Columbus are weed combine harvesters, renowned for their efficiency in harvesting wheat crops, equipped with advanced technology for optimal performance in agricultural fields. A subsoil plow operates underwater, designed to till and prepare submerged land for agricultural purposes, enhancing soil quality and crop growth. Start harvesting Brussels sprouts from the bottom of the plant, moving upwards as the lower ones mature first. The olive harvester shakes trees using vibration mechanisms, with protective sheets around the base to catch falling olives effectively. An automated remote-controlled grass cutter efficiently trims lawns or fields without manual intervention. Here's how hazelnuts are processed after harvesting from the orchard. This fertilizer spreader operates by distributing fertilizer evenly across fields, ensuring optimal nutrient distribution for crops. This robot is equipped with a flexible hand that can rotate its wrist to pick the red apples from the plants successfully. This powerful wood chipper can take on some of the most unthinkable challenges, such as this giant log. Bothered by the seaweed on your water bodies? This machine is here to save the day. The dry sunflower plants all have to surrender before the powerful attack of this harvester, which collects all the seeds from the dead flowers. A little technological device and the human skills can help this sheep see through its heavy coat of fur again. This Pellenx machine is doing vineyard workers a favor by a focused high-volume, high-coverage watering in the vineyard. The farmers put the small plants under the soil and immediately these tire-like units of this machine work to keep the plants grounded. The basket rake rakes cleanly and efficiently using quick and easy controls, forming a clean swath of hay and leaving all impurities behind. Who said machines look boring? Bulldozers can be eye-catching too. Berry pickers like this has liberated humans from the dreaded task of handpicking tiny fruits on the farm. Collecting garlic can't get any easier with this 3-row harvester. It's the perfect choice for small-scale operations. Not just helping us with collecting, machines also aid in the process of planting garlic with high speed and precision. Machinery helps mold and press the cheese to shape it and expel remaining whey, giving us evenly cut bars of cheese ready for consumption. Unwanted shoots that grow from the base of grapevines or along the trunk will all be removed once this sucker remover sweeps through. Hoof trimming can greatly relieve the pain of horses. It's also very satisfying to watch. The combine harvesters can not only knock out the plants and crush them, but also adjust the blowing direction to meet the whole truck behind. This tractor can pull both a plower and a grader. What a combo! Vineyards are the reason for the invention of uncountable unique designs. This berm sweeper is a prime example. This tool is being used to uncap the honeycomb to be spun out and filtered. This compact machine gently cuts and places the spring onions neatly on its belt. Mowing small areas of grass is made convenient and fun thanks to this mini mower. The sugar cranes come in whole at one end and come out all crushed at the other of the machine. Though small, this machine can extract oil directly from harvested sunflower seeds. This machine is slowly and carefully pressing the corn on the ground with its heavy weight. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of technological advancements in agriculture today. Feel free to share your thoughts on the most impressive machines featured in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.